Yes, hello AAHL students. Tomorrow is our FA and here this video is for you just to keep in mind some important points and some tips related to the topics that are coming in our FAs. Okay, so in terms of logs, I have already explained you what formulas you need to remember and what formulas you don't. But still here you need to remember some results that are when base and number is same, answer is always 1. Whenever any base is given but the input or the domain of the question is 1, our answer will always be 0. Third point, if you have log on both sides with same base and same coefficient, you can cancel out the log and can just equate the values. Getting it or not? And last but not the least, if you have been given only number and we are in need of a log in the question, we will take it whatever the base we want and whatever the base is required in the question. You can take it as your at your wish, like you can take it whenever you want. ठीक है? If it is required in question. ठीक है? Okay. In proofs you need to remember few things that are whenever question says even number, whenever question says even numbers, if you consider k as a even number, then its next even number will be k plus 2, its previous even number will be k minus 2. If question says odd number, again if you consider k as a odd number, there are two ways to consider odd number. If you consider k as odd number, then k plus 2 will be next or k minus 2 will be previous one. Or if question is saying odd number, you can take 2k plus 1 also as a odd number. See, यहाँ पे बस एक कंडीशन ये होता है, when you are considering this condition, in this condition k will always be odd. When you consider this, k can be a natural number or integer. In this case k will always be the odd number, in this case it will always be integer or natural number, however and whatever question is explaining. ठीक है? Then you need to remember some results like what, let's say odd plus odd is even, then odd plus even is odd, then odd into odd is odd only, then odd into even is even. This kind of results you need to remember. Getting it? So these are the few things you need to remember in proofs. There is one more thing in proofs. Whenever prove that wala question is coming, you can either start solving your left hand side and reach till right hand side, or you can start solving from right hand side and reach till left hand side, or you can solve both sides simultaneously and reach the same conclusion. It depends on the question. जब question आता है उस हिसाब से you can decide. Getting it? Okay. For proofs and like basic maths identities तुमको याद होनी चाहिए. a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and then a square minus b square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. ठीक है? Okay. Next, when you come to combinations and permutations, so permutation and combinations में combinations का formula होता है NCR, that is nothing but n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial, and permutation is nothing but NPR, that is n factorial upon n minus r factorial. Okay? N means total number, R means number of ways that you are looking for. Correct? So here we use this when you are choosing something. When question is asking us to choose something, that time we use combinations, and when question is asking us to arrange something, that time we use permutations. लेकिन हमको हमेशा confusion ये होता है कि permutation use करना है या combination use करना है. आज के क्वेश्चन में हमने देखा था you can use any one of them, it's just that तुमको पूरा का पूरा कंडीशन ध्यान में रख के सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग इट कीपिंग इन माइंड परम्यूटेशंस, देन एवरीथिंग विल बी इन अरेंज्ड फॉर्म ओनली. इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग इट कीपिंग इन माइंड ओनली द चॉइसेस, देन यू विल हैव टू यूज ओनली कॉम्बिनेशंस. गेटिंग इट और नॉट? आई होप यहां तक के पॉइंट सबको समझ में आ गए होंगे. ठीक है? नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इन एग्जाम, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, अगर तुम पेपर अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, स्टार्ट योर क्वेश्चन पेपर बाय रीडिंग ऑल क्वेश्चंस एंड मार्किंग easy, medium and tough questions. When you mark easy, medium and tough question, start solving questions from easy Once you are done with easy questions, go to medium level questions and then go to tough level questions. Once you finish your paper and get your marks in your hands, no one asks you कि कितने tough question solve करके निकाला था, कितने easy question solve करके निकाला था. Getting it or not? ठीक है? Now, I just want to discuss two types of questions that might be asked in logarithms. That is, let's say they will give you an equation. They will give you an equation, let's say in this form, 2 raised to power 2x plus 4 2 raised to power x plus 8 equals to 0, right? This is the form in which they might give you the equation and ask you write x in the form of log, let's say ln a upon ln b. This kind of question might be asked. What you have to do, simple hai, check if both terms containing variables have same base or not. If they don't have same base, you make their base same. When you make their base same, check, look at their powers. So one of them, let's say 2 raised to x, you'll have to consider as m, and then you convert this equation in 2m square plus 4m plus 8 form, and then find the value of m and compare with the 2 raised to x. Getting it? Then you take log and simplify your answer. Just say, let's say for example, for m you get two values, m equals to 2 and m equals to minus 1. Again I am telling you, in logs we never put negative input. हमारा log का जो भी input रहेगा हमेशा positive ही रहेगा. Getting it? So if I am putting negative input, log exponentials having positive base can never have negative answers. So you exclude this answer. You take 2 raised to x equals to m, that is nothing but 2. So 2 raised to x is equals to 2. Now यहाँ पे तो मैंने same 2 ले लिया. Instead of taking 2, let's take it as 5. ठीक है? So I'll take it as 5. So I'll take log on both sides. So it will become 2 raised to x equals to log 5. So x will come in multiplication and my answer will become log 5 upon log 2. ठीक है? So this is one way. Same question को मैं लिख सकता हूँ log base to 5. ठीक है? Using the identity. This is one of the types of question that might be asked in your exam. And second one is they'll give you something like this: log 9 x minus 2 plus log 3 x minus 7 square equals to 5. Whenever you are solving logs ka question, 2 points you need to remember. That is, first always check base. Always check base. When you check base, check if it is same or not. यहाँ पे 9 है, यहाँ पे 3 है और इसके पास तो log ही नहीं है. Correct? When you are checking base, if it is not same, you need to make it same. तुमको उसको same करना पड़ेगा. कैसे same करेंगे? We will see if I can write bigger number in the form of small का power. Let's say 9 को लिखना है तो मैं 3 का power 2 लिखूंगा. This is how I do it. Getting it? So first step, always check base. If it is not same, make it same. Second step क्या? Make sure every term in the given question has base. Now this does not have base. So इसको मुझे base देना है तो कौन सा base देंगे? जो question में है वही base देंगे. So ये हो जाएगा log 3 3. This is the identity. These two types of question is what I think are a bit expected, because whatever the questions we have solved till now, maximum questions were of these two types. Getting it? अगर इससे easy आता है तो it is a win-win situation for us. ठीक है? I hope तुमको ये सारे points समझ में आए हैं. Please go through this video. If you have not understood, you can repeat it again. And all the very best for your exams. Thank you.